Well, one of our jobs today is to map this lovely white Mercedes A-Class A200, which is a 1.8 diesel. It's having a DPF off and it's 136 brake horsepower standard. So we're aiming for another 30 brake, but we'll see. We'll see what she makes using CMD mapping tool technologies. Pretty good stuff. So we've got to read the file off. It's probably going to read in a virtual format where we actually download the original file. Instead of reading it from the car, we'll probably download it from a server in Italy where CMD is. And then we'll modify that file that we get downloaded from the server. Then we'll upload the file, do some tuning using Winoles, and see what we can make out of her. Get the DPF solution done, get that turned off first. Stick her on the dyno. Well, she's on the dyno, but give her a few power runs and see how far we get. Like I say, I'm hoping for something fairly decent today, so we shall have a look. We don't do many Mercs, but it's all the same technology. It's all the same science. Lovely car. Really nice car. Okay, so you can see the gains on this little Merc today. A massive whopping difference. Really is. That's going to feel incredible on the road. It's certainly going to pack more punch. 136 standard. Well, it actually made 139 on the dyno standard, but it's finishing today and leaving with 173 brake and 286 foot-pound of torque. That's 50 foot-pounds of torque increase, which is fantastic. And definitely where he's going to feel it when he's driving. Yep, what a car. Nice, ain't it? Do like it.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.